the kraut runs, the pierogi, the beer rock. The Runza is basically a Russianized Hot Pocket. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to a lot of stuff. Like, I don't have a mixer, I don't have room for it, and I don't have it on my registry for my future marriage. There's a Runza chain in Nebraska and northern Kansas, which is enormous. Like, they don't want to go anywhere else other than that area. And it's hyper concentrated. Like, they don't want to do anything else. Like, I never knew that Nebraska corn huskers were so intrinsically involved with it. There's like 150 locations in like a 150-mile radius. When you're persecuted by Stalin, Nebraska seems a lot like Honolulu. Sometimes I try stuff and it doesn't work. In this case, this did actually work. German ladies in the 17th century decided to start making a kind of a hot pocket. They would put beef and cabbage into a dough and roll it. It was called a beer rock. You can trim it up if you're having company over.